Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, I've got a super quick and easy recipe for you. No flour gluten-free toast bread. This toast is perfect for those following a low-carb or keto diet, so let's get started. Start by finely grinding some raw almonds. Now, in a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs, then add the ground almonds followed by baking powder and a pinch of Himalayan salt and olive oil. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Now, give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Pour it into a 15 cm microwavable pan. Make sure it's evenly spread out. Now, pop it in the microwave for just 3 minutes. And there you have it. No flour gluten-free toast bread in just 5 minutes. This bread is perfect for breakfast, sandwiches, or just as a snack. Delicious, quick, and healthy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe from Heaven's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.